Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you how to get the new fish, Cute Dumbo in Fish It. First, just go to the crystal tab like this. This is the only locations where you can catch this Cute Dumbo. And then next just since Cute Dumbo is a legendary fish, this one it's a legendary fish. Make sure you use your best rod and base bait. Like for example, you can use hazmat or cast fin, and then for the bait you can use carp bait or singularity bait, and then after that just start fishing in this crystal depth and be patient until you get this fish. And here it is. Cute Dumbo has a super adorable looks like this. It's so cute. It's so cute. It has a pink color like this with glowing tentacles, and it has love ears like this. It's so cute. And okay, maybe that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you.